Glad to see you back for another one of our videos. On this one you will learn how to turn things on and off. As you might have guessed, this lesson picks up where choosing sports and leagues left off. Again, we will have a clear display to begin with, so let's select a sport and a league as we discussed in that video. Once more, for reasons of easier explanation, we have preset the Quick Settings menu to present only one market. The first thing that is immediately noticeable are the headers. The information they present is the absolute minimum. Let's see what happens when we start turning things on and off. First, we will discuss about the plus sign, which is second to last in the header row. If you press it, it will bypass your preferences and display all the odds and markets that are available for the matches you have selected. The immediate difference is that there is no change on the header row as there would be if you made the change from the Quick Settings menu. Instead, the odds and markets are displayed underneath each match. The second thing to notice is that the button is now a minus sign. Pressing it again will revert the display to your original preferences and the button to a plus sign. If you do not want to display all the markets and odds for all the events that you have selected, but only for some, then you can press the plus sign that exists on the line of each event. Let's discuss about how you can limit your display only to what you want. This is achieved by pressing the star button next to the plus sign for each match. The action will remove the match from the general list and add it to the list of favorites, which is the first one on top. This way you can pay attention only to those events that really interest you. When you are done, you can press the no entry button at the end of each match in the list of favorites. The X button at the end of the line for each match of league is the one you need when you want to remove it from the list. The X at the end of a league removes the entire league. The one at the end of a match removes only this event. To restore any events you removed back to the list, you need to check the box at the end of the header row. All the deleted matches will reappear. Notice that this time they appear in a blue, fainter color than the rest of the list. To restore them back to the list, you will need to press the Recycle button at the end of each line. So here's how you can turn things on and off quickly without having to engage any of the selection menus. Now go sign up if you haven't, and then come back for another lesson.